Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're trying to repair this trampoline using some strings. These are like shoe strings, or shoelaces. So we'll just try and fold it up here and the next two and see if this is a good option and if it's gonna hold up. So follow me as we do it.
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more, nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more, nothing like ever before.
So just folded the string around the hoop and just tighten it up. Same as here. Then use the same string, connect this one here and this one.
I can give it all.